3x square plus 7x plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. First, we have to find out what is a, b, and c. Here, a equals to, a is a coefficient of x square, so it's a 3. B equals to coefficient of x, so it's 7. C equals to 1. Why? Because it's a constant. We know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So we will put step by step. First one, minus b minus 7 plus minus root over b square, it means 7 square, minus 4ac. 4a means 3, c means 1, divide 2a, so 2 times 3. So here we can write minus 7 plus minus root over 7 square means 49, minus 4 times 3 is a 12, divide 2 times 3, it's a 6. So minus 7 plus minus root over 49 minus 12, what? It's a, here is a 7, 4 minus 1, it's a 3. It means root 37. Divide 6. So what will be the x? X has two results, so we can write, so x equals to, here is a minus 7, first time plus root 37 by 6, we can write 1 by 6 times minus 7 plus root 36. Again x equals to, it's a ones plus, again ones minus, minus 7 minus root, it's a root 36, right? Here is a root 37, so we can write in 7 in key. So root 37 divide 6, we can write 1 divide 6, and then times minus 7 minus root 37. This is our answer. So question 5 done of this chapter, which is exercise 5.1.